already know who it is. It's your girl, Ms.Jessiebabeee. What's up, world? It's your girl, Ms.Jessiebabeee. But when you said, you know, you gotta sing it, because I am the one and only. Who? Ms.Jessiebabeee. E-I-E-I-O. And I'm just here to tell you a little bit about myself and bring you into my world. Of course, my name is Jessie. I am the one and only. I am 33 years old. I have one child, as you can see, the princess. This is my Princess D. Can you say hey? Tell the world hey, mommy. Say hey. Okay, y'all. She a goop troop. She a little mean too, but this is my baby. This is my heart. I had to have her. The good Lord know I needed this baby in my life. Moving forward, yes, I am in a relationship with my child's father. You guys will see him as time go on. He work a lot, so yeah. But however, enough about me. Let's get into this food that I'm finna eat. My little cousin made an egg boil, you guys, and yeah, I'm ready to see what that's all about. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Oh, okay. Let's get into it. I hope it's good. It got eggs, sausage, potatoes, noodles, and corn on the cob. I don't eat seafood. I would love to try it one day, but I ain't made it that far yet. So let's get into this egg boil, y'all. Let's see what it's talking about. Know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. You ready to eat, mama? Okay. What you want to try first? You want some corn? Here, bite.
Mama, hot sauce.
It's not hot sauce. It's not hot sauce. Bite. That sauce fire. Let's see. With everything on it, y'all.
Mama, that's new. That hot sauce. Hot sauce.
It's not hot sauce, it's sauce.
Sauce?
You want to taste it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Take a bite. Y'all, it's fire. Open mouth. You want to do it? Yeah. Okay. She did a thing with them. Let me try one of these potatoes.
Oh.
I love potatoes, yeah. Talk to me, and I'll talk back. Want to taste it? Keep playing. But anyway, y'all. Oh, I'm so bad. I love food. I love to eat, and this is right up my alley.
Corn.
Corn.
Hot sauce.
It's not hot sauce. Oh, and by the way, y'all, my baby just 2. Can you tell the people hey? Can you say hey? Okay, you want them to see your teeth? Okay. Definitely fire.
Yeah, I don't want corn.
You want some more corn? Okay.
Now, do you like it?
You want to bite it? Your corn pie? Did you bite it? Food about to come out my mouth, y'all. It's so good. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get into this, you guys. I'm gonna let y'all go. This is just a little intro. More will be coming.